Hello students, welcome to InstaOwl Science class, where we believe in democratizing education for all. Students, we saw that organisms reproduce to pass on their body design and ensure the survival of their species. Through reproduction, they create new individuals that carry similar features. Now, we are moving to something equally important: variation. If all living things were exact copies, survival during sudden environmental changes wouldn't be possible. That's where variation steps in. Let's start with a simple thought. Why do we find certain organisms in specific places? Fish thrive in water. Camels do well in deserts. And you won't find penguins wandering into a tropical forest. That's because each species is adapted to a specific environment where it can survive and reproduce best. Now, reproduction does more than just increase numbers. It helps each species maintain a body design suited to its natural surroundings. The way a fish breathes or how a cactus stores water, these features are passed down through reproduction. But here's the thing: what if the environment suddenly changes? Let's say there's a sudden drop in temperature or the water level dries up. These changes are beyond the control of organisms. Earth isn't always predictable. Temperatures shift, climates vary, and occasionally even meteors fall from the sky. If a group of organisms is perfectly adapted to only one kind of environment and that environment changes drastically, their survival may be at risk. The whole group might not survive. But nature has a backup plan. That plan is called variation. Let's take a relatable example. Think of a group of bacteria living in cool water. Most are fine with that, but a few might have a small difference. They can handle warmer conditions. Now, suppose the water heats up due to global warming. Most bacteria die, but the few that can tolerate heat, they survive and multiply. That's the strength of variation. It's like nature quietly preparing a few survivors just in case the situation changes. So, reproduction isn't just about making identical copies. It includes tiny differences, and those differences can help an entire species survive even when the environment becomes harsh. And now, it's time for some reflection with InstaLights. We first saw that reproduction preserves body design, helping organisms stay suited to their surroundings. Then we looked at how environmental changes bring risk, especially when conditions suddenly shift. And finally, we understood that variation increases chances of survival, allowing some organisms to adapt and keep the species going. Stay sharp, stay curious, and keep learning with InstaOwl. Bye-bye.